In this video, I will show you how to reply to an email in Gmail. First things first, let's open up the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox filled with all your emails. Scroll through until you find the email that you want to reply to. This could be from a colleague, friend, or anyone else you've been communicating with. When you've found it, simply tap on that email to open it. Now that you have the email open, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled, Reply. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll now see a text field where you can type out your response. This is where you can express your thoughts clearly and concisely. Once you've finished composing your reply, it's time to send it off. Look at the top right corner of your screen for a paper airplane icon, that's your send button. Tap on that paper airplane icon, and just like that, your reply is sent. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.